welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you about Wombat. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need will be down in the description. So as I said, in this video we'll talk about Wombat. Wombat is a multi-blockchain and multi-functional app which you can download, and in this video apart from that I'll tell you about Wombat is obviously, but we'll also talk about Womplay and Wombat Dungeon Master, where Womplay is their own platform which actually allows you to earn crypto and NFTs by playing games you already like, such as World of Tanks and Raid Shadow Legends. So amazing games that are already developed, and via Wombat and Womplay you can actually earn crypto and NFTs with their platform while playing those games. So here you can see their website, which is wombat.app. Again, all the links will be down in the description. Here you can find out more about Wombat, Womplay and Wombat Dungeon Master. You can also find out more about the game studios, the team, and their own Wombat token, because they have their own token which is listed on multiple exchanges already, and it's really a low market cap gem still. So first a little bit about Wombat. So you can actually access all Web3 games and NFTs with Wombat's game browser, and no matter which game, which chain and which NFT, Wombat has you covered, and Wombat therefore is the easiest way to get started in Web3 gaming. You just need Wombat and you can actually get started with Web3 gaming using NFTs and crypto. So as I said, you can get cool rewards in the playground, like explore NFT games and rediscover mainstream hits, like we said, World of Tanks for example, and you can actually hit milestones and join weekly and daily challenges and missions, and with that you can earn crypto and NFTs. And all of these are stakeable in Dungeon Master as well, which we will talk about a little bit later, which is a game, an NFT staking game specifically designed by Wombat. And within Wombat, which I think makes it amazing, you also have a built-in wallet and GameFi powerhouse. So you can actually download the Wombat app on App Store or on Google Play, but you can also get a plugin for Google Chrome. So let's actually check out what that looks like. So once you've actually downloaded that, you'll get this great extension where you can actually view all the apps, the games, DeFi, but also other useful apps such as the Axie marketplace for example. But you can also use their own Wombat swap. You can access your wallet, which as you can see has a lot of blockchains already built in, which I think is amazing because most wallets don't have that, and you'll have to go through all kinds of loops to actually add those blockchains. But apart from that, you can also check your NFT collection all in this app. And as I said, you can also download it on the App Store and Google Play Store. Alright, so now let's actually talk about Womplay. As I said, Womplay is the platform which actually allows you to earn crypto and to earn NFTs. But what it actually is, and this is the website, womplay.io, you can actually see all of the games. And for example, you can see World of Tanks and the Raid Shadow Legends game. You can all play them from here. If you click Earn Now, you'll get brought to it very easily, as you can see. But there are a lot of games. They have a huge catalog of games you can actually play, and by playing them you actually earn Wombats. Alright, so that's not their token, that's not Wombat, that's Wombat. And if you earn Wombats, you can actually join the reward pool to convert those Wombats into BTC or EOS, and in that way you can actually earn crypto while playing the games you already have been playing. And you can also earn NFTs on some specific games, as you can see, so definitely check that out as well, because with those NFTs you can actually earn passive income. More about that a little bit later. So they also have specific challenges which allows you to earn money. All with all, Womplay is an excellent way to actually enhance your gaming experience you already have. So definitely check that out. Again, all the links will be down in the description. So now let's talk a little bit about Wombat Dungeon Master. Wombat Dungeon Master is their own created game, which actually allows you to stake your NFTs. NFTs which you can, for example, earn by playing all of these amazing games, such as Raid Shadow Legends, which they also have a partnership with. They have amazing partnerships already, while it's still a relatively unknown platform, but it's already being used by a lot of people, and they have a lot of great partnerships already. So there's definitely more to come in the future. But by playing this game, you actually have to connect using your wallet, which you can do right here. I'll quickly do that, so don't look at my password. So here we are actually in the game, Wombat Dungeon Master, and what this allows you to do is you are the dungeon master, and you can actually hide NFTs in your dungeon and let wombats search for them. So right now I have no NFTs yet, but you can actually pick them, and if you hide them, depending on their mining power, each NFT will have a mining power, you can actually earn that every day while staking it. So what you do is you hide the NFTs, then you let the Wombat search for them. That takes a day, and you actually earn USD depending on the mining power of your NFTs. And you can learn all more about that if you actually check out the white paper and how much you can earn on Wombat itself. So for example, if you go to the website wombat.app and you get to home and you scroll down, you'll have the ultimate guide to the Wombat Dungeon Master, which I would definitely recommend you to check that out. And apart from that, they have the Wombat token, which we talked about a little bit earlier. And the Wombat token connects all of the products they have. So the Wombat app, Womplay, and the Wombat Dungeon Master are all connected by Wombat. Because you can actually earn Wombat on the playground, for example. You can also lock your Wombat tokens for VIP privileges. Definitely check that out. You can learn more right here or in the white paper. We'll also go to the white paper for a little bit. But you also, and that's new, they just released that, you also can decide on the funding, supported games, chains, and more. So you actually, if you own the Wombat token, you get governance over their entire platform, which makes it more decentralized, which I think is a great thing in the crypto world. So here you can quickly see some more utility. You'll get a platform discount. You can stake it to actually gain governance, but you also get more Wombats if you actually stake that. So definitely great benefits. Go check that out. Again, all the links will be down in the description because owning Wombat gives a lot of privileges. So apart from that, Dungeon Master is one of the fastest growing communities, and it's a very active community, and they recently hired a mainstream gaming veteran called Nicholas Dunham as the chief commercial officer. So as I said, they already have great products right now, but there are definitely more great things coming. So with that, we've reached the end of this video. Again, I want to remind you that all the links will be down in the description. We talked about Wombat, we talked about Womplay and the Dungeon Master game. So for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.